بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Hello brothers and sisters, how are you? In today's lesson I would like to show you some techniques in Autocad, and let's see how we can use them. But before I start, I want to inform you that if you have any kind of projects or any kind of things that you have and you want me to help you, you can contact me through the my Facebook page or my phone number, which exists on my Facebook page and my Facebook page and my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start. The first one, we have the purge. The purge command is, as you see, if we look at layers, you see we have many layers. As you see, this is an advanced still file, but we don't want all these layers. So what we have to do, we have to just write purge and enter, and we see now it will open up a new window. I'll select everything and say purge all and purge all checked items and close this one. Now just let you see just the it remains the used layer. So any kind of only using layer and any using things will go on. This is the first one. The second thing, how about if we are going to use only the dimensions? For example, we can use quick selection. So Q select. Okay, as you see here, we have the entire drawing, or we have multiple here. This is the object type. We can just say all of them, or only polylines, only align dimension, rotated dimensions, arc, and text, multi-text, and block reference. So we will say multiple. After that, what we will need from the multiple, we want color or line type or line scale or plot style or whatever we want. Let's say color. So after that, the operator, the color, which is this equals. So every each one, the color is red, this will select. Okay, it will the color equals to red, so select. So just let's say click OK. As you see now, every red color is now selected. Again, Q selection. Let's say for this type, let's say text. Okay, just text, and the color, let's say equal to I don't know, by layer, let's say. Okay, so just click. You see all of the text that with white color and by layer, and this is the second one. The third command is filter. So Fi for filter. As you see now, we have what we have here. We have this area. So what we want to add selected object. So let's say we have this kind of object. As you see, it gives us all the properties of this arc. So I'll delete all of these because I can say that each arc with one radius, it will select. So but I don't want, I want to decrease the specifications. Okay, because if we are leave as it is, we have only one arc with this specification, which is this one. So if I delete this one, the normal, and I delete also the position. As you see, the arc center, I want to delete this one also. The line type by layer, I want to delete it. And let's say what we remain only this one. Okay, so if we say apply and select, after that enter, you see every arc with green color. What's the difference between these two? As you see, guys, here in quick selection, filter is more powerful, because in quick selection we cannot say or we cannot say the specifications. For example, as we said, we can say that all the arcs is one let's say 1 meter, the arc of it. Okay, so filter is more powerful than the quick selection. And overall dimension, sometimes we see all the dimension is small, so what we have to do, just go to D for D and space for dimension style, open, modify, and here we have feet. As you see here, from the primary unit we can just say this to command. Okay, and what we say from feet, we say, let's say we don't have 1, we have 2. Okay, so what this makes, this will increase the text height without changing the circle. But if we're going to use this one, which is the primary unit, if we make this one 2, it will multiply all the dimensions by 2. So this one will be 8 to 20. This will be 6, 5, 6, 4, 4. So just click OK, screen, close. You see, everything is now times by 2. Or when we use this one, sometimes when we scale the drawing, we have sometimes we have a detailed drawing, we have to make it scale it, and we can just scale here or put the factors here so as to give us the real dimension. Okay, so this is the another thing. And another thing, if we're going to do, sometimes we need or what we need to, as here, if I write down a line, you see this menu will open up. And what is this? As you see here, we can just go to here, and we have dynamic input. As you see, dynamic input, as you see, now is on, but let me write down line. You see, now is on, but after I put up this one, I say line without nothing, without this menu bar. Okay, and another thing is snap angle. Okay, sometimes we have this x1 and x is straight or horizontal, and we can just write down snap angle, enter. We can specify an angle, let's say 30. As you see, now this became 30. Again, snap angle, enter, and make it 0. So we will bring back this one to that to the original shape. Okay, I think this is enough for today, because I don't want to. There are many things, many tricks and tips in advance in AutoCAD. You see, there are many things on AutoCAD, but I think now is for now is this is enough. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, share and like this video.